Manikantan from MSc Part 2 Computer Science. I feel that the right way to learn something is to implement it from scratch. And that's why Ruya's focus on hands-on approach in learning has helped me get a deeper understanding of many of the concepts. The teaching goes beyond just reading from a textbook or doing an online course, which is why I feel it resonates with me so much and has helped me remember much of what I've learned. Now, throughout these years, I've developed a repertoire of technical skills such as developing apps, websites, programming embedded devices, analyzing algorithms, machine learning, and so on. Now, some challenging practicals would require us to discuss the solutions with our peers and work as a team. And I feel that these challenging practicals is where our basic understanding would actually be tested. The teachers know the subject quite well and they make it easy for the students to understand. They encourage us to solve all our queries and they often go out of their way to help us. My time in Ruya has been great due to the supportive environment created by the faculty and my friends. And that's why I would like to thank all my teachers for being patient with us and for making this difficult journey an enjoyable experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kileshwar Pandey and I'm currently pursuing MSc IT. Actually, there's only 1 week remaining for me to become an alumni. So before leaving, I wanted to share some thoughts about our department. The thing that made Ruya different from other colleges and the reason why I chose Ruya was the experience that it had to offer, the experience of being in the industry. The final semester of MSc requires us to seek out different job opportunities in the industry and excel at it. So at the end of the journey with this college, you'll be an independent industry ready person. Personally for me, those presentations have improved my communication skills in front of the client. Those mini projects have led me to an exploration and accept new challenges as an employee. Those regular assignments have helped me manage my deadlines. So due to all this practice, my job has become way easier and smooth. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Arjun Nair from TYBSc Computer Science. Projects have been a big part of our curriculum in Ruya. There are mainly two projects, that's mini projects and innovative projects for each subject. Now, mini project is where we get the idea of group, how we work with a group, how we talk to them, how we can approach each other. And not every group is blessed with a scholar to carry them. So you get a little bit of real life experience, how working with different type of people, how working with different random people in the same class is going to be, with only one blessing which you won't get outside in the real world. That is, we have a guide over here, a teacher who's there to help us at all times. Second thing is the innovative projects, where you get to jump out of the box, where you get to spark your own ideas and do whatever you want to do on your own on some random topic that you get. And believe me, when I say our teachers in Ruya College don't really look at how fast you do something, but they give you any amount of time. And the reason for me to say this is because with my own experience. In my first year, we had 5 innovative projects to do, and I was late to submit 3. You might wonder why. I first year, first project, you want to impress everyone. So I went out of the box. I was trying to compete with Google and Elon Musk if you looked at my ideas. But hey, those were really difficult to do, and it took more time than I thought. And I was talking to teachers. I went and talked to teachers on the submission date. I said, "Ma'am, I couldn't complete the project," and 3 of those teachers said you can extend, and the other two I was luckily able to complete within time. And 3 of those teachers told me you can complete, and then I got my own time and I went and submit. That's what you're thinking, right? I just went and submit whenever it was complete. I'm sorry, that's not how it was. The teachers asked me to report every day with whatever improvement I had or problems I had. They guided with me every step, and all 3 of them were ready to solve whatever problems I was facing. Even though my submission time was gone, I had a delay, but they didn't care. They cared about my own innovation and my own improvement. And I think that blessed me so much, because the amount of knowledge, the amount of ways I can innovate, the amount of ways I can look at problems and try to solve them because they were there in that each step of improvement I had there, was a big blessing. And I think it's a big thing to look forward to the for the 3 years or 2 years of college life you're going to have.
Hello, this is Rishabh Tumma from TYBSc. So, as a part of our college lives, various academic fads come and go. Various events take place. Students move forward from one semester to another. But in all these fluctuations, one thing remains constant, and that is the professors. And I must say that the Department of Computer Science and IT has a cluster of diamonds. The professors are not only professionally experienced, but they also motivate their students to bring out the best in them. The professors are continuously in the process of shaping young minds and making them well prepared for the global competition. The professors emphasize more on practical implementation of concept rather than just the theoretical part. Then and all this is done through various innovative practicals, mini projects, which help the students get an opportunity to discover the subject into greater depths without any limitations of the syllabus. Various activities such as workshops, seminars, and also alumni talks are organized by the department, which help the students gain an extra insight about the current market needs. Also, the Intercollegiate IT Festival, that is TechStorm, is organized and managed by the students, which help them develop their leadership qualities, interpersonal and communication skills. Regular mentorship sessions are also conducted, wherein teachers give solution to the problems. Last but not the least, I would thank all the professors for sharing their valuable experiences, knowledge, and daily tips and tricks, which have helped me excel through the span of these 3 years that I have studied in RUIA.
तू मेरा जुनू तू मेरी दुनिया, तू मेरा जुनू तू मेरी दुनिया.